So, my car isn't great. I'm coming to Costco. Costco? I'm coming to Petco. My car is like, stop right now. Like it sounded like my car was breaking, literally.
Oh, that's bad. That's bad.
I've seen this car in this like situation. Like, look how bent it was, and look at the liquid. It never bent. And here's all the residue from the serpentine belt snapping, which is like, why did it even snap? Because I didn't even change it that long ago. And from this angle, I saw more areas that were bent on the fender.
Bye, we're going to see it.